What's up, guys? Beasting here from Tech News. With another unboxing. Today we have the AT&T prepaid unlimited. I got this phone real quick on Black Friday for around $10. Just like an extra phone to play some music or whatever. I wouldn't recommend this phone to anyone. It's very cheap and very slow. So in case you're wondering, if you don't want this phone, just click out of the video now. It's for backup phones. It's a Alcatel Camiox or whatever. No annual contract. So this is a very budget phone. You know, like your 480p display, I think, has 16 gigabytes. Camera is not very good. The speakers are very good, though. One thing I have to give to them. You have your wide-angle selfie camera, 5-inch display, an LED flash is a good add-on, and the Android 7.0 is pretty cool. So let's just see real quick. There's your AT&T map. I'm going to open it. Alright, guys. So inside, we got our phone in the box. Pretty straightforward. Got a little spec sheet. So under this we have our power brick, USB cable, and battery. So here's a nice starter guide. Just pop the phone out real quick and pop the battery in. Very tight seal with this back cover. Alright, so we have the battery right here. Nice blue color. So it does take an SD card or a nano SIM. So here you go. Just pop the back cover on real quick. You can see it's an all plastic design with a glass screen. Weird placement for the USB port. Here's the camera, the flash, your AT&T logo, and a pretty nice speaker for this phone. It gets very loud. So here it is. It's powered on now. Let's see how long it takes to turn on. So this phone's around $10. You get it at Best Buy. Black Friday. I'm not going to go through the setup and everything in this video. I'm just showing you this cheap phone and what you can get for around $10 now. Pretty good deal. Very cheap, like the features. Not a very nice home button. So here you go. There's your AT&T startup. And my S5 from 3 years ago loads faster than this, so it's not a good start. So here it is. It's finally on. Let's get started, everything. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. It's just a quick video to show you what you can get for this type of money. I wouldn't really recommend this phone. It's very slow. Maybe if you want to get it for someone who doesn't use a smartphone that much, it's a good phone, but not very good budget phone. There's a lot of other stuff you can get for this price. Or a little bit more, and you'll have something much better. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Check out some of my other videos. More important things like speakers, Google Home, things like that. Some phones that are actually worth on budget phones. Like last year I had a nice budget phone for around $20. That one was nice. It works way faster than this one. So here it is. Buy it on Best Buy if you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, Beasting out.